Later.
Man, I've been waiting for these. Yup. These look nice. Like, I don't know if the camera does any justice, but wow. Holy shit. It's a mess in here. But this is gonna be a quick video. Like, I've been waiting for these for months, and I just said, fuck it. Just order that shit. I chose the worst day to put these. But I'm trying to install them. Like, look at that. You see that? Wow. Alright, let's put these in the car. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here, but and it's just disgusting. I'm sorry, y'all.
Later.
Y'all see the difference? I know it's too dark. I know y'all cannot see that, but like, yeah, see, oh my, I got, hold on. I gotta turn the hazards on. I gotta see this. Yo. Oh my god, I unplugged that one, but oh my. This is clean. Oh my god. Yo, this is crazy. I do not regret getting these. Now we just need some new wheels. Yo.